5 seconds to go. Start. It is thus clear to us that the presence of statutory restrictions like section 43d5 of the UAPA per se does not oust the ability of the constitutional courts to grant bail on grounds of violation of part 3rd of the Constitution. Indeed, both the restrictions under a statute as well as the powers exercisable under constitutional jurisdiction can be well harmonized, whereas at commencement of proceedings, the courts are expected to appreciate the legislative policy against grant of bail, but the rigorous of such provisions will melt down where there is no likelihood of trial being completed with a reasonable time and the period of incarceration already undergone has exceeded a substantial part of the prescribed sentence. Such an approach would safeguard against the possibility of provisions like section 43 D5 of the UAPA being used as the sole metric for denial of bail or for wholesale breach of constitutional right to speedy trial. In the above circumstances, we are of the view that the appellant accused has made out a case for grant of post arrest bail pending trial. Before parting with the order, we would like to observe that under the scheme of the Act 2008, the power is vested with the central government in consultation with the Chief Justice of the High Court for the trial of scheduled offences designate one or more courts of session as special courts by notification in the official gazette with the place of jurisdiction of special courts, and its jurisdictional power has been defined under sections 13 and 14 of the Act 2008. At the same time, it has been mandated under section 19 of the Act 2008 that the trial under the Act of any offence by a special court shall be held on day-to-day basis on all working days and shall be concluded in preference to the trial of such other case, and accordingly the trial of such other case shall, if necessary, remain in abeyance. The power of state government to designate one or more courts as special courts for the trial of offences under any or all the enactments specified in the schedule is provided under section 22 of the Act 2008. It has been informed to this court that only one such special court has been designated by the state of West Bengal to try such cases under the Act 2008. Before us, the order sheets have been placed for perusal of the instant case, and it indicates that hearing is taking place only one day in a month, and if this procedure is being followed in conducting the trial under Act 2008, It frustrates the very purpose with which the special courts are designated. It is clearly demonstrated from the instant case that after the charge sheet came to be filed in the year 2012, charges have been framed in June 2019, and looking to the voluminous record and number of the prosecution witnesses which are to be examined. Stop.